Nagpapasalamat nga ang mga fans ng SB19 ng 18 dahil na rin sa pagpupursige ng mga ito na magkaroon ng sarili nilang ahensya or kumpanya. Ito ay ang 1Z or One Zone Entertainment kung saan ang mga nasabi nga pong pagmamayari nito ay mismo ang SB19. Kaya naman, marami ang natutuwa, especially the fans, na hindi sila basta-basta sumuko or kaya naman ay kumapit sa patalim na magkaroon ng manager o ibang agency na maghahawak ng kanilang nga pong career. Dahil nito lamang sa isang interview ay naisiwalat ng R&B Prince na si JR ang nasabi nga pong dark side ng pagkakaroon ng agency na nagmamanage sa'yo at pagkakaroon ng manager. Alam niyo po ba na matindi pala ang kaltas? Tinanong itong si JR kung friend ba siya ni Kian ayon sa tanong ni Madam Kring. Sabi naman ni JR, yeah, we're friend, but I think it's for the issue of MRLD na parang yung bayaran hindi fair. One-sided lang. The reason why I spoke about it, it's because it's exactly what's happening sa mga story namin sa movie. Even though I don't know the story of what's happening with Kian, kasi Kian, wala pa namang siyang nagiging statement eh. So Kian, sorry, I'm talking about it, but you know, it's for the benefit of all artists naman. I'm not trying to parang taint his image. Kunwari, 100,000 ang pinag-usapan ng manager sa venue. Sasabihin ng manager sa artist, oh, parang 10,000 lang ang na-deal natin. Tapos may kaltas pa yon na 30%, so 7,000 na lang ang mapupunta sa artist. It happens all the time where managers don't reveal the real amount. Kaya I really want to talk about this. It's not fair to us. We're the ones on stage, we're the ones that have been practicing, tapos yung binabayad sa 18 or sa atin, parang mga mas kumikita pa yung ibang manager. Tanong ulit kay Kian, what should artists know when they're signing contracts? JR, first of all, they need a lawyer kasi mahirap basahin ang mga legal jargon. They purposely do that kasi syempre pag bagong artist ka, excited ka gusto mo lang mag-sign. When you're signing something, you're gonna get locked up na din kasi diba? And then, once you're locked up, it's gonna be hard to change the agreement kasi nag-sign ka na They're paying for every single thing. Madam Kring, who's paying for what? JR, the artists, they're paying for every single thing. Like the glamour stuff that they make you feel like, you know, this is part of your image. Those are all expenses by the company that you owe as an artist. When they become successful, they feel it and then they'll be like, wait, but parang unfair. Muling nagtanong si Madam Kring at sinabi niya na you also said that you kind of wanted to talk about how artists can be taken advantage. Say ni JR, well, hindi lang label, just like managers and companies and networks and stuff. Sometimes, people that work within the network, you know, they have bad intentions kasi sometimes ginagamit nila yung power nila Minsan nagiging sexual favors, nagiging sa pera na parang, oh, bigyan mo ko ng ganito para bigyan kita ng opportunity. Mika said, in any situation, there are good people and not so good people. Of course, not everyone has bad intentions, but not everyone has your best intentions at heart. So, kailangan talagang mag-ingat. Discernment is really, really important. And that's just such a normal human emotions or instinct to have. Kailangan mutually beneficial lagi. Pero pag hindi na, sometimes it gets twisted and that's not cool. Yan po ang naging pagsisiwalat ni JR and ni Mika Javier. At isa ito sa masasabi nating napakalaya para sa SB19 dahil maiiwasan nila ang ma-exploit at alokin sila ng ganito para magkaroon sila ng project. Dahil mismong SB19 ang nag-aayos ng kanilang schedule, ang tumatanggap ng mga project na kailangan nilang tanggapin at walang ahensya na nangahawak sa kanila maliban sa 1Z Entertainment na mismong sila ang nagtatag. Kaya naman napakaganda ng samahan ng SB19 ng kanilang mga staff dahil malinis at napakaganda ng intensyon ng bawat isa. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.